All right, we're back, and today is Wednesday Fun Day, not Sunday Fun Day.
Not even Taco Tuesday.
Not even Taco Tuesday. We're here with Mike.
Hey!
Max is over there, who doesn't like being on camera. So Max, we're not going to show Max. We're going to show his car, and we're going to give you all updates on the cruise car. So right now, we're working on Mike's RC. We're going to put some underglow lights on it. Defiant Underglow kit. DefiantGarage.com. And
link in the bio.
Link in the bio. And we're going to go fix Karl's car. Karl busted his lip on his Civic. So we're going to replace his lip. Get that all fixed up nice and clean for Karl.
Hi.
Karl says hi.
Hey, Karl.
And then we're going to do Mike's rear brakes. Where did Mike go? I think he just drove off. Mike's over there going to O'Reilly's to get his brakes. So we're going to do his car next. And as an update, there's the other RCs. This is Max's RC. So Max has changed his wheels again. New carbon fiber hood that he wrapped and painted. F badge with the Artisan Spirit slit. New wheels. What are these? I can't tell. I'll have Max tell us what those are later. Defiant Garage wing. Defiant Garage wing. 326 wing. JPM carbon spoiler. JPM carbon lip kit. Rahana RX5 wheels. 326 wing, JPM carbon diffuser, Nia spats, Nia side skirts, Veloz wheels, tucked. Dre's also bagged now with the Sibon hood that you can get on DefiantGarage.com. And that's Dre's whip. So this is going to be the thumbnail. But back to the story at hand. When you are the main mechanic guy in your crew, you're doing a lot of work on your friend's cars for free. And that's what I'm doing today. So we're going to try and knock out these 3 cars, get them done as soon as possible. That way the crew looks right for this weekend. We got a car show coming up this weekend, and it's going to look good. Mike, you know what I need? I need a hanger.
I don't have the hanger.
You don't have the hanger no more?
Are you trying to untwist something?
You have a hanger?
Yeah, there's this hanger.
Yeah, like a wire hanger?
It's a splitter right here.
You trying to undo it from me?
No, I'm trying to get it out. And it's stuck.
What's this? Karl over there by his car. What's this?
Huh? Hold on, y'all making me feel like y'all don't trust me, bro.
I mean,
My car.
be that reason.
Y'all
Hey, Max.
y'all was in here like.
Nah, I ain't know what you call it. I need my parts. That's all I'm gonna say. I need my parts, bro. You might come up on the Lexus car. You play.
Good.
Hey, you guys should have drink something on
It's good, Mike.
nice white RC.
It's good.
Yeah. They've been talking about how he need wheels that can fit his car. And they fit on the Civic.
I got wheels coming. I don't gotta worry about wheels. Plus, none of y'all car parts fit my car, so.
I don't know what you talking about. All your car parts fit my car.
That's your own.
You're not giving me this.
I ain't getting no Diddy juice. Everybody else got a cup in their hand.
You said you didn't want one.
Exactly. So drink up.
I am drinking.
Drink up, dear.
I've been drinking since 4 o'clock.
So how you feel about that carbon fiber steering wheel that you're gonna give me now that you're drinking up?
Carbon fiber steering?
Yeah.
Which one?
The one that you just that's on the way.
That one, man, that's gonna be special, but it's gonna have some white on it.
That's fine.
That boy just needed white interior. That was all.
Bro, you got a knife I can borrow? I'm gonna cut this off.
Yo, what happened to your seats?
Yeah, I know, they got destroyed.
They got.
Look at my emblem. You gotta wait till they get back in.
Bro,
You know?
somebody snatched a piece of your lip. Yeah. Oh, I need a blade too to take the stickers off. De-stickify this.
So if you're like me and tired of doom scrolling Facebook Marketplace to find your next project car, or searching around the neighborhood seeing if you could find a barn find, this is where AutoBidMaster comes into play. AutoBidMaster is your gateway to Copart auctions that have hidden gems, clean title cars, and more. You wanna know what a Copart auction is? Well, you could ask Matt Armstrong, Tavares, any of these guys who rebuild their supercars, and I found this car on AutoBidMaster. With real-time bidding and expert insights at your fingertips, you'll never miss a good deal. Say you want to find a car that you want to bid on, and the pictures look good and everything else looks good, but you want to know its history. AutoBidMaster is able to provide a clear VIN report so you can see all the history, damage, make, and model of the car, really available right there at your fingertips. Visit AutoBidMaster in the link below and make sure you use the code Defiant Garage to save $50 off your membership today. You're one bid away from getting your dream car and restoration that you wanted. You're one bid away from getting that supercar that you want to rebuild. All right, walking back. So, Karl, what are you working on?
Oh, wow, fancy guy.
I'm just asking.
I'm just taking my lip off, you know?
Taking your lip off and replacing it.
Yeah, I wish I had a glass that record what I'm doing.
Well, I mean, you could get some. Actually on sale, yeah.
They are?
Some of them, yeah.
Oh, I need
Christmas sale, you get them for like $200.
Christmas, that's too far. I need it for another strip.
No, you probably get it for like Black Friday or something like that.
That's too far. Tomorrow.
Oh, well, you go on Amazon, buy it tomorrow. Look on the website, see if you can get them. All right, back to this.
These milestones are huge. I know. These mosquitoes love me today. No, they just out. They out. They out. They out.
Boy. Wait, is he aired up?
It is aired up.
It is, yeah, literally, it is aired up.
Your shit will hide in this, right? That's crazy, bro.
My shit go higher than Jared's car.
That's what happened when you get from Timu, bro.
My shit higher than Jared's car. And Jared got a monster truck. And I go higher than him.
That's crazy.
Again, I like to go fast.
This is their lift from Timu.
Mike gonna get up and start throwing it.
Say, aired out. Timu with this shit.
I didn't do anything, though.
If you want to swing on Dre, I ain't seen nothing.
That's nice.
It's okay, I don't hate to see you looking.
Max was like, is that the highest? Is that the highest? Oh.
Hold up.
You laughing at that? I'm laughing at Mike. Mike said you don't swing on senior.
Oh, hold up. How many compressors you got?
2.
2.
Yeah.
No, it's because of the lines, Ray. You remember, you got those big ass lines.
Oh, you got a quarter inch?
I got the quiet lines.
Yeah,
That's why his are quieter than yours when you.
Yeah, when you go up. Right now,
You gotta tell. Hey, Dre got bags. Don't worry about it.
Bro, you scared my girl the other day.
Don't you dig my glasses? Come here.
What, boy?
Oh, so I'm walking out of here with a steering wheel.
Steering wheel hasn't got it. You going no steering wheel. Ray-Ban boy? You think Ray-Ban boy? These? Yep. Oh, these are the ones that record? Yep. How you record though?
Push the button.
Which button?
Wait, those are the meta glasses?
The button on top. Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
Are
You're
you
recording
serious?
right now, actually.
This man finally doing something on his car, bro. Proud of the kid. Look at that.
You know what you need to do?
I don't need. You try to kill me, bro. Look at. That's crazy. This man got nails sticking up as soon as you step on them. That's crazy.
Sticking up.
I know some fell in the thing.
I could use right now a nice rice and peas and brown stew chicken, bro.
I'm starving.
Rice and peas and brown stew.
Now you got to get the oxtail with extra gravy.
No, you put some.
And let them put the little dumpling in it with the carrot.
I'll lose tomorrow morning.
I don't know about all that. But I tell you, bro, we're gonna be here all night on this car.
Where's the socket wrench? The little socket wrench. Carl, you using a 10 millimeter or you using an 8?
Oh, there's not on here.
You don't have any clips over it?
No.
Alright, so Mike's brakes on the IS 350. Let me turn on. Alright, so to do the brakes, it's easy. Take off the wheel with all the nuts. Then back here, there's a 14 millimeter screw. Unscrew this. Then what you do is you lift up the caliper up. That way you could take out each of the brake pads, front and back. And then if you have a piston compressor, like I do, then you could compress the piston, put the brake pads back in, and you'll be all set for that.
3 days later.
It's Saturday, so you know what that means. It's car meet day. So I'm gonna wash the car real quick, head over to the car meet location and get some footage of that. And we have a guest appearance today. One of my close friends is coming all the way down from Orlando. You're gonna see his white RC, very beautiful. And Dre's coming out again tonight, and maybe Max, we don't know, Mike, and my car. And what I'll do today is I'll go through a review of everybody's cars. So you'll see my car, you'll see Max's car, you'll see Dre's car, you'll see Mike's car, you'll see Max's car. So maybe all of the RCs are going to be out today. But first, I have to clean this dirty, disgusting little thing right here. Uh-oh. Now all nice and clean, fully washed, ready to go. And now we're at the event. So we have Max's car, we have my car, we have Jay's car, we have Max's car, and we have Dre's car. So there's about 5 of us out here tonight. I'm gonna introduce you to everybody, but this is the Dre's RC 350, Max's RC 350 all-wheel drive, Max RC 200, my RC 350, and an IS 500. All lined up for a quick little meet. All right, Max, so talk about your car. Tell me what do you have about it.
I don't remember what I have done, man.
He's done everything.
I have a full wrap, vinyl frog wrap done by Your Garage in Sanford, Florida. I got password JDM, carbon fiber under the hood, the engine intake. I got your TTI charge pipe and HPS. Other pipe I have, my diverter valve is from Mamba. I got a stage 2 tune from D3 with enhanced throttle. What else? I got Defiant Garage UnderGlow kit. I got the SB.co front emblem, the JPM carbon lip kit, recommended by Defiant Garage. I have the Cybon carbon fiber hood. What else? Full Rebel exhausts, downpipe, everything. Yep.
Oh,
I got
fenders.
Lexon fenders. spacers. So
Unfortunately, my camera's battery ran out. So this is it for the video here. Once again, like, share, and subscribe for more Unity Car Club content and Lexus RC content and any other automotive content that you want to see. Thanks for watching.